I wonder if an officer boot and a builder pro got together, what their kids would look like. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. It's time for Boot of the Week. Since 1964, Nix has been known for 10-inch boots, normally with pull loops made out of 7 to 8 ounce leather. These are iconic silhouettes for us at Nix. And you know, if you're gonna meet somebody out there in the wild that's got a pair of Nix, it's probably gonna be a 10-inch boot with the pull loop, black, smooth over, rough out. This boot has been so successful for us, and really when people ask, like, what is the most iconic boot? We're gonna say it's the Builder Pro or the Hot Shot. What's the best leather? We're usually gonna say you cannot go wrong with our Max Support Black. However, for some people, sometimes this pull loop is just in the way. It's just, I'm not gonna use it. Why is it there? It catches my pant leg. And for those people, we say, just deal with it. Actually, we say, maybe we should pursue some models that don't have a pull loop. So last year, we listened to all the requests for a little bit taller boots with no pull loops, and we came out with the Officer boot. And this boot has been one of our #1 selling heritage boots last year and continuing into this year. It's an 8-inch boot with no pull loop, and it really gets the job done if you're looking for a more sleek looking profile and you don't want a pull loop catching on your pant leg, etc. With that said, many people came back to us and said, I love my 10-inch boots, but I don't necessarily love the pull loop. Is there anything you can do? And we said, I think we can work something out. Today I'm excited to announce the 10-inch Officer boot. And this is exactly as advertised. It maintains the 10-inch profile of most of our work boots, and we just took some scissors and we cut the pull loop right off. Actually, we don't do that. We make it look super clean in the back. You know, pull loops are just one of those things. Some people love them, some people hate them. It's hidden under your pant leg for most people, unless you're wearing boots and shorts like I do in the summer. But for some people, it's just, I can't buy a boot that's got that loop on the back. I'm not gonna use it. I'm used to grabbing the sides of my boot and pulling it on. Well, this boot is for those people that don't like pull loops. Also, you'll notice that this indeed is an officer boot that's 10 inches tall, but it is made out of the 1964 leather. So some people were concerned that the officer boot in 8 inches was normally promoted in the heritage leathers, and you wanted a work option or leathers that are a little bit thicker. So we went ahead and defaulted this boot to the 1964 brown. We're also gonna have a black Max Support version. So this is gonna meld two worlds of 8-inch officer heritage boots with our traditional 10-inch tops on most of our work boots like the Builder Pro and the Hot Shot. So if you're weird like me and you wonder what would happen if a Builder Pro got together with an officer boot, the result would be a 10-inch officer boot. If you don't like the name of a 10-inch officer boot and you think there's a better name for this boot, go ahead and comment below and we'll catch you on the next one. You, sir, are both an officer and a gentleman. That's the dumbest outro I've ever done.